Have you ever wondered who ensures the safe and effective use of medical products? It's a department you might not be familiar with, but plays an instrumental role in healthcare, medical affairs. This team is the powerhouse that stands at the intersection of science, medicine, and business. They work tirelessly to support the use of medical products, be it drugs or medical devices, ensuring they are safe and effective. Their responsibilities are vast and varied, ranging from providing up-to-date medical information to designing and executing clinical trials and even assisting in regulatory affairs. They are the unsung heroes who develop educational programs for healthcare professionals, monitor the safety profiles of products, and engage with thought leaders in the medical community. They also strategize, aligning medical affairs with the overall business goals of the company, while maintaining regulatory compliance. So next time you pick up a prescription, remember there's a whole team behind ensuring its safety and efficacy. First up, we have the function of medical information. Medical information is the cornerstone of knowledge sharing within the health industry. It is responsible for providing accurate and up-to-date information about medical products to different stakeholders, including healthcare professionals and patients. Imagine you're a health professional, a patient, or even someone just curious about a medical product. You would want to know the specifics, what it is, how it works, the benefits, and potential side effects. This is where medical information steps in, answering inquiries and creating educational materials that make complex medical data understandable for everyone. Moreover, medical information ensures the dissemination of the latest clinical data. They work tirelessly to circulate new findings and updates about products, making sure everyone is on the same page. This continuous flow of information helps maintain transparency and trust between the manufacturer and the users. In essence, medical information serves as the backbone of communication between the manufacturer and the users. Now, let's talk about the people on the ground, the medical science liaisons. These MSLs are field-based medical professionals, the frontline soldiers, if you will, who build crucial relationships with healthcare professionals. Their role isn't just about networking, though. They are the bearers of scientific and medical information about the company's products. Imagine a new drug has been developed. It's the MSLs who take this breakthrough from the lab, translate all the jargon and technical details, and present it to doctors, nurses, and other healthcare providers in a way that's easy to understand and apply. But their work doesn't stop there. MSLs also collect feedback and insights from the medical community, acting as the company's ears on the ground. They listen, learn, and bring back valuable information that can influence future developments. MSLs, in short, are the bridge between the lab and the real world. Ever wondered who designs and executes clinical trials? Meet the Clinical Development Support Team. This team works hand in hand with the Research and Development Department, fostering a partnership that is crucial to the development of new medical products. This collaboration is all about designing and implementing clinical trials and studies that are robust, ethical, and scientifically sound. The Clinical Development Support Team provides valuable input on study design, ensuring that the trials are set up in a way that will yield reliable and valid data. They're also involved in protocol development, crafting guidelines that ensure each study is carried out consistently and effectively. Interpreting the data from these clinical trials is another key role of the Clinical Development Support Team. They help decipher the complex results, translating the data into understandable information that can drive further development and improvements. Clinical development support ensures that the products being developed are safe, effective, and ready for the market. Navigating regulatory waters is a complex task. That's where regulatory affairs support comes in. This crucial facet of medical affairs involves assisting the Regulatory Affairs Department in their mission to gain approvals for new drugs or medical devices. But what does this assistance look like? Let's paint a picture. Imagine a labyrinth of data, documents, and stringent guidelines set by regulatory agencies such as the FDA. Now imagine a team of dedicated professionals meticulously compiling, reviewing, and submitting this data, ensuring every I is dotted and every T is crossed. This is the essence of regulatory affairs support. From the earliest stages of development to post-market surveillance, they aid in maintaining compliance with regulatory standards. They bridge the gap between scientific innovation and regulatory requirements, always keeping patient safety and product efficacy at the forefront. So, while often behind the scenes, their work is pivotal, because without them, life-changing treatments might never reach those who need them most. Regulatory affairs support is the key to unlocking new treatments and therapies for patients. Education is a vital part of healthcare, and that's where medical education and training steps in. This crucial function of medical affairs is all about developing and delivering comprehensive educational programs for healthcare professionals. These programs provide in-depth knowledge about the company's medical products, be it drugs or devices, ensuring that healthcare providers understand their uses, benefits, and potential risks. But it's not just about product knowledge. These educational programs also focus on the practical aspects of using these products, helping healthcare professionals to safely and effectively incorporate them into their practice. This hands-on approach ensures that the science behind the products is translated into real-world application. Moreover, medical affairs also keeps healthcare professionals updated with the latest advancements and clinical data, fostering lifelong learning in this ever-evolving field. By doing so, medical education and training ensures healthcare professionals are well equipped to deliver the best care possible. Ensuring the safety of medical products doesn't stop after approval. Enter Pharmacovigilance and Safety. The journey of a medical product, be it a drug or a device, doesn't end when it gets the green light from regulatory bodies. The real test begins when it starts to interact with the diverse and complex world of patients. That's where pharmacovigilance and safety, a critical function within medical affairs, steps in. Pharmacovigilance, as the name suggests, is all about vigilance in the pharmaceutical world. It is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug-related problems. It's like a guardian angel, constantly watching over the safety of products, even when they've been approved and are in use. The safety profile of a drug can change over time as it encounters different patient populations, co-medications, and long-term use scenarios that were not encountered during the initial clinical trials. Pharmacovigilance is the radar that detects these changes, ensuring that the benefits of a drug continue to outweigh its risks. The process involves the collection and reporting of adverse events, which are unfavorable and unintended signs, symptoms, or diseases associated with the use of a medical product. These can be anything from minor side effects to serious outcomes like hospitalization or even death. Medical affairs professionals engaged in pharmacovigilance and safety are like detectives, gathering and analyzing data from various sources, such as healthcare professionals, patients, and regulatory authorities. They then assess this information and decide if action is required, such as updating the product's labeling or communicating new safety information to healthcare professionals and the public. But it's not just about reacting to problems. Pharmacovigilance also plays a proactive role in patient safety, conducting post-marketing surveillance studies, risk management, and mitigation strategies to anticipate and prevent potential issues. In essence, pharmacovigilance and safety is a continuous process that plays a pivotal role in ensuring that medical products remain safe and effective for patients in the real world long after they've been approved. Pharmacovigilance and safety keeps a watchful eye on products, ensuring their safety long after they hit the market. Let's delve into the world of health economics and outcomes research, often abbreviated as HEOR. This essential area of medical affairs is all about assessing the economic and clinical outcomes of using a company's products. It's a bit like putting a magnifying glass to the impact of medical products, not just on individual patients, but also on healthcare systems and society as a whole. HEOR specialists conduct research to uncover the true cost-effectiveness of treatments, considering factors such as how a product can reduce hospital stays, improve quality of life, or even decrease the need for additional treatments. They also explore the clinical outcomes, examining how effective a product is in real-world settings outside of clinical trials. The insights from HEOR are invaluable. They inform healthcare policies, guide treatment decisions, and can even influence the development of future products. Plus, they provide crucial evidence to demonstrate the value of products to payers and healthcare systems. HEOR is the key to demonstrating the true value of healthcare products. Building relationships is a vital part of healthcare. That's where KOL engagement comes into play. Medical affairs departments hold the reins to this crucial task. They foster relationships with key opinion leaders, or KOLs, who are the thought leaders in the medical community. These individuals are at the forefront of medical knowledge and innovations, and their insights and expertise are invaluable. By engaging with these KOLs, medical affairs departments can gain a deeper understanding of the medical landscape and the needs of healthcare professionals and patients. This understanding can then be used to inform the development and positioning of medical products, ensuring they are as beneficial as possible. Moreover, these relationships with KOLs also serve as a conduit for advocacy. KOLs can champion the company's products within their networks, providing credibility and visibility that can be instrumental in the success of these products. In the intricate dance of healthcare, medical affairs and KOLs move in step, each enhancing the other's performance. KOL engagement is essential in gaining insights and advocacy for the company's products. Last but not least, let's talk about medical affairs strategy. This crucial function within medical affairs is where the magic happens. It's where the intricate dance between science, medicine, and business takes place. It's where the strategy team within medical affairs is responsible for developing and implementing strategies that align with the overall business goals of the company. But what does this mean in practice? Well, imagine a well-oiled machine where each part knows its role and purpose. That's what a well-executed medical affairs strategy looks like. It ensures that the medical information disseminated is not only accurate and up-to-date, but also consistent across all platforms. It guarantees that all communication with healthcare professionals, patients, and other stakeholders is compliant with regulations. But most importantly, a robust medical affairs strategy ensures that the company's scientific integrity is maintained and its products are used safely and effectively. Medical affairs strategy ensures consistency, compliance, and alignment with overall business goals. Truly, medical affairs is the heart of healthcare.